all my wonderful champions. I hope my dearest friends are doing absolutely great. So children, we are going to face KCET 2026 very soon. Wishing you the best for that. And second thing, you have been asking about the things that you're supposed to carry and things you are not, and I promised particularly that until and unless the official update comes, there wouldn't be anything about it. So finally the official update has come in KA's official website. They have given you a PDF where everything is mentioned about the things that you need to carry and also about the dress code. Well, I'll be making a separate video on that. Here in this video, you will be finding more information about what you are supposed to carry inside the examination center. So let's dig deep into it and let's get to understand. Make sure you listen to me out carefully throughout. Yeah. First thing, note that there will be mandatory security checks before the entry. There will be CCTV surveillance as well in the examination center. So make sure you're not carrying any chits and stuff like that. It could be a big problem. Why to create panic just before entering into the hall, right? And also there will be AI-based facial recognition system this year. So they are making some changes. So yes, they will be guiding you as well in the examination center. You need not be worried about anything. You just go and give the examination. Yeah? Now, coming to the things that you are not supposed to carry. Talking about the study materials, most of us carry books, okay? It can be printed books or probably it can be handwritten books where we make our notes and stuff like that. My dear children, you are not supposed to carry this inside the examination center. Also, they have put it in the PDF that there would not be any provision to keep these things. Okay, so you are not allowed to carry it. You will not find any space to keep it also. So do not carry it. Now, if at all you think that your parents are along with you, okay, or probably your siblings or anyone out there, then you can hand over this to them before you enter into the examination center. I'm not even talking about the examination hall or the classroom. I'm talking about the center. These things are not allowed inside the center. Next thing, notes. It can be just a loose paper where your notes have been written, or any rough sheets are also not allowed. So rough sheet, rough work and everything has to be done in the question paper only. They will be giving you rough work area. You have to do it there. Not in any rough sheets. You are not supposed to carry any rough sheets. Neither notes are there. Similarly, log table is also not allowed. So please do not carry log table as well. Okay, geometry box is not allowed, pencil box is not allowed, plastic pouch is also not allowed. So how do we carry the pen? Like this, you have to carry your pen. Make sure you carry 2 pens, such that 2 or 3, whichever is feasible, and it should be blue or black ballpoint pen. It should be what? Blue or black ballpoint pen. This is one very important thing out there. Okay, blue or black ballpoint pen. I'll be talking more about it later on. But anyway, plastic pouch and things like that, pencil pouch or basically geometry box is also not allowed. Calculator is also not allowed. Okay, so calculations and all, we have to do it by ourselves. No calculators are allowed. Stylus is also not allowed. Stylus is something like this. This is also not allowed. Electronic pen, scanner or eraser is also not allowed. So if at all you are someone who is carrying a pencil, since they have not spoken about pencil, so suppose you can carry it. Now if at all you're carrying a pencil for doing a rough work and things like that, you cannot erase it because there are chances that children might do cheating and all, and they might erase the stuffs, and they do not want any of that to happen, which is why there is no eraser also being allowed out there. Okay, so only your pen, and if a pencil is also allowed, then pencil. Apart from that, nothing else. Okay, I hope that works. So that's about your study materials. By the way, I'll be talking about the things that you need to carry to the examination hall towards the end. Yes. Now, the personal belongings, for example, you have wallet, you have any handbags, belts, cap, goggles, any unnecessary items out there which is there, please do not carry it. It might be a great loss for you if at all you carry these things, because you will not find the space, I'm repeating that again, to keep it safe. Okay, so please do not carry it. That will be very unnecessary thing to do. Okay, so do not carry any of these things which are mentioned right over here. Even the belt as well, you're not supposed to carry the belt or wear the belt. So yes, okay, this is especially for the boys out there, and yeah, I hope that makes sense. Cool. The next thing that is there, hidden devices. So there can be electronic or hidden gadgets, for example, microchips, cameras, Bluetooth devices. Any of these things are not allowed. If at all you carry any of these things, you will not be allowed to give the examination, and obviously there will be more consequences to it. So please do not carry it. I know modern technologies are there. We are living in a technological era, but do not take the risk, okay, with your future over here. So please do not carry any of these things. Finally, communication devices which are there. You are not supposed to carry mobile phones, Bluetooth devices, earphones or headphones, even microphones or pagers. Now obviously to the later part we might not have all these things, but yes, we are someone who carry mobile phone a lot. Please make sure, if at all you're carrying a mobile phone, and only carry a mobile phone if you have your parents or someone along with you in coming to the examination hall to drop you off. If you have someone, you can give it to them before entering the center. Once you have entered the center, anyway, nothing of this is possible to be carried on. Okay, so make sure that if you are carrying it, you have someone to give it to, someone whom you trust, and if not, do not carry it at all. Okay, so that is about it. And yes, wrist and accessories, so wearables, which for example over here, watches and smartwatches and camera. Again, there are different type of cameras, so they have put camera over here, which is why I have mentioned over here. Even though yeah, portable cameras, small cameras are very few, not everyone would be having it, but still telling you do not carry it. Okay, and also watches and the smartwatches are not allowed, so please have the habit of start giving mock test without watches. Okay, so there will be a clock in your examination hall, and basically bells would be ringing up. There's a separate video on bell timings. Make sure you watch it as well. Cool. Now talking about bracelets or bands, that is also not allowed. So suppose like this, things like this are not allowed. Please do not carry it. And any wearable electronic devices, okay, which thing that you can wear, please do not carry it. So there are multiple people who carry multiple things out there. Okay, it could be health related as well. Make sure, if at all avoidable, please avoid it. Do not carry it at all. Okay, this for sure you have to avoid it, but if at all you have some medical reasons to it, make sure if it's possible, avoid it. If it's not, please carry the things, the required documents as well, and please make sure you report to the examination hall prior to the check-in, that is 2 hours prior to the check-in. Yes, and I'll be talking about the time also over here. Cool. The next thing, food items. Packed food items, snacks and water bottles. So yes, water bottle is also not allowed. You're not supposed to carry it. So the examination is going to be for 1 hour. So in that 1 hour, probably you just have to go and give the examination. If at all you ask for water, they could be providing you there itself, but you are not supposed to carry water bottles. Okay, you're not supposed to carry water bottles. And over here, note, there is no provision, as I said, there is no provision for storing the above materials at the examination center. So as I said, please do not carry it. If you have your parents, give it to them. Okay, outside the examination center, before you enter, you can pass it to them, and once you're done, you can probably go and have the food or the snacks which is there. And make sure that when you go to write the examination, you have some food. Otherwise, you know, it's summer season ongoing as of now, and you might be feeling exhausted if at all you do not have enough amount of food. And also plus, I'm pretty sure a lot of you might be doing late studies at night. So definitely telling you out, please have some food and drink enough water. Okay, and go to the examination hall. Otherwise, you might not have enough energy to give the paper, because that is so important, right? You should be having energy. So make sure you make no mistakes out there. Okay, while dealing with all these things. So have enough sleep, and please have good breakfast, not have anything that you're allergic to and things like that. And yes, drink enough amount of water as well. Yeah. Yes. Now we'll come and talk about the things that you need to carry, and just give me a second for that. Also, one very important thing, this is regarding jewelry. So if at all you wear earrings or probably chains or rings, all of these things are not allowed at all. So please do not carry it. Exception is there. If at all you are wearing Mangal Sutra, you can wear it. But apart from that, any other sort of jewelries are not been allowed. It's strictly prohibited. Do not carry it. Okay? Yes. Now, talking about The things that you're supposed to carry is your admit card. Please make sure you take a printout of it and carry it. You do not need to take the printout of the instructions and things like that. Just the admit card would be more than enough. You just need to carry that. Yeah. And next thing, valid identity proof. You have to carry a valid identity proof. It can be a passport. It can be either your Aadhaar card, your PAN card, your voter ID. If not, because most of you might not have anything apart from Aadhaar, so either Aadhaar or basically your second PUC or 12th admit card or admission ticket. That is something that you can carry with you. Okay. And finally, blue or black ballpoint pen. Nothing else but blue or black ballpoint pen. You are not allowed to carry gel pens or ink pens or any other pens apart from this. Recommended to use black pen. Okay, anything you can use, but still I'm just recommending you use a black pen if needed. And yeah, make sure you take a pen that you have an idea of. Like basically, if it's not something that is new to you, it will be really good. Okay, if you're habituated to that particular pen, it will be really good if at all you carry it. Yes, so that is something that I would say. And do not use brand new pen, rather just work around it a bit such that everything becomes very easy for you to do. It would be smooth enough basically for you to color up the OMR sheet. So that is one very important thing that I had to tell you. And also there is a very important note, and this particular note is for people who are specially abled. Okay, so specially able children, you might be carrying hearing aids as well as cochlear implants. In that particular case, please make sure you report 2 hours before the exam. You would need your UDID, that is unique disability ID card, and also medical certificate for the same. And there will be separate screening done for you guys, which is why it is definitely recommended for you to report 2 hours. Now, for the general candidates out there, it is mentioned that every candidate has to report, okay, at least 2 hours before the first bell. This is given in the instructions of your admit card. So everyone who has been asking that when do I need to report, I'll still recommend you also be there 2 hours prior. It can be like you might be coming from a distance and you do not know the traffic and stuff like that. You do not know anything that could happen. So it's better to be early than late. Yes, that will make sure that all the panic situations are being avoided clearly. Yeah, so these are the things that you have to make sure of. And as I said, the children have to be there for sure 2 hours before the examination. Now, my dear children, there will be a separate video on the dress code. That too, again, official update will be spoken about. And similarly, there is a video on how the OMR sheet has to be filled up. Also about the bell timings. If you are someone who are not aware of these things, make sure you go and watch this. Okay, and I hope this video had helped you. If it did, definitely do not forget to hit the subscribe button. If you have any more doubts, you can put it in the comment section. I have tried to cover everything which is there officially given in their PDF that was shared. Also, one more very important thing, if at all you are someone who is preparing for COMEDK, there is COMEDK 10 crash course out there. Make sure you check it out. The link is given in the description section of this particular video, and it's a 10-day crash course for everyone who is preparing for COMEDK. So that's all for now. Wishing you the best. Please take care of yourself and do not be worried about anything. Bye-bye. Take care.